Morning, everyone. Continuing on this journey, the 6 weeks of high energy on the planet at the moment, and once again, we're seeing it playing out in the media. We're seeing it playing out across the world with the big governments throwing edicts out there in relation to, once again, is it our suppressed rights, our suppressed freedoms, and that sort of things. And now I'm certainly seeing in the media some of our politicians are just saying what they're thinking long term. So they're not hiding it anymore. They're just saying where they believe we're moving forward as a human collective. And this has really been a year of suppression. It's been a year of taking away our human rights and taking away our beliefs of what it means to be human. So taking away our trust in our fellow man and our trust in our immune system and our trust in our ability to boost ourselves and feel happy, healthy and well, even if we get a positive test. It doesn't mean anything. Oh, you're still sick, you're still contagious. It's just this crazy time on the planet that is continuing. And we're nearly at the end of November, so this high energy is going to happen till after Christmas. So we just need to keep ourselves settled, open, honest, hopeful, happy, vibrant. So I grabbed 2 crystals that I'm just going to hold. So firstly, this is my zeolite crystal. So zeolite in nature, what it does is sops up toxins. And I have used it in the past, in my powdered and liquid forms in order to sop up emotional gear, because even things like cortisol, adrenaline, noradrenaline, they are quite energetically charged. So zeolite can help. And the second one I've got, which is a crystal quartz, this one expands energy. So the first one is about sopping up, what we want to get rid of. The second one's about expansion. So just a quick little balance. So run that central meridian, feel the energy, tapping anti-clockwise over the heart. Anti-clockwise helps to connect the conscious brain and the unconscious brain. Hand on the base chakra, tongue on the roof of the mouth. And we're focusing on the dantian just below the belly button. That helps us to recenter. Okay. I release all suppressions from my being with safety. I deal with issues and stresses without suppressing them. I allow myself to find and release past constraints. What am I holding on to? What do I need to let go of? I am suppression free. I no longer need suppressions in my life. I am free from past life suppressions affecting me now. Every cell in my being is free from suppression. I release all childhood traumas that have been suppressed. I release all suppressed anger. I release all suppressed fear. I release all suppressed guilt. Now, zeolite energy. Check that amygdala. Okay, so the energy of wanting to run away, escape, submission, freeze. Yep, sounds like 2020. Okay, life is good, life is good, life is good. And energy, 999, 999, 999. Life is good, life is good, life is good. 999, 999, 999. Raise that vibration, raise that energy. Okay. And now the crystal quartz. So if you can see that, it's just jagged and it heads out in every direction. So it helps with expansion, expansion of the mind, expansion of energy, expansion of that we want to increase in our world. We want to increase happiness, vibration, love and light. So, okay, so these are all positive, this next little group for us. I am happy, I am balanced. I choose to live my best life. I am happy, I am free. I choose love and light. I am happy, living my expanded consciousness. I open my mind to the possibilities. I open my mind to expanding our freedoms. Freedom is the answer. Love and light is the answer. Being awake, being conscious is the answer. I listen to information with an open heart and mind. Listen to new information with happiness, love and light. I see potential in all there is. I see the possibilities moving forwards. I choose to be in the here and now. I choose freedom. I choose love. I choose goodness. I choose light. Let's see where our amygdala is there. Okay. So that's frustration and anger. Relax my shoulders. So yeah, relax the shoulders. Breathe in goodness. Breathe out frustration. Breathe in happiness. Breathe out resentment. Breathe in love. Breathe out negativity. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Raise that energy. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. We are consciousness. We're all in this together. There are millions of awake souls all around the world. We are not alone. Life is good. Life is love. Life is happy. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.